Updated because I know some of you are worried. You guys have not heard from me, so that is why I'm here now. So please share me out. Just share me out. Let me just tell you guys a little about what has been going on. So I'm back home. I'm back to Austria. I've arrived safely. I had a safe journey. Everything went well by God's grace. Thank God to God for making me have a safe journey. But yes, the important thing is that I'm back now, and I'm very happy to be back. Thank God I made it. Guys, please just share me out. I'm just going to wait for a little people to join in before I start going into details. Actually not looking so good right now, but yeah, I'm still really tired from the flight because I really had a long flight. I flew for like 6 hours, and then I had to fly again for another 2 hours, so it was really not easy. I'm still tired. Maybe you can still see it in my face, but yeah, it is really unfortunate about everything that is going on. It's really unfortunate. What can I say? Nobody was expecting any of this to happen, not even me. If you'd have told me like 3 years ago that this is how it's going to be, I will not believe it. I will not. The good thing is that I'm safe now, and I just had to do what I had to do. This was the best decision because before anything, I had to protect myself. I had to also protect my family. I had to protect mommy, protect my other siblings. So I decided to ask for help. I decided to go to the German embassy because I couldn't take what was going on anymore. It was already overwhelming, the whole situation. It was just too much. It was unbearable. I was like, no, if I have to do something, then let me just do it fast. And that is why I had to call for help. And thank God they attended to me as fast as possible. They helped me. Thank you to the German embassy and the Austrian embassy for helping me. And yeah, without them I wouldn't be here. So they flew me out. They helped me. They flew me out. You guys know that my passport was taken. The police took my passport and the passport for my mom. So my German passport, I don't have it. They had to give me a travel ticket, travel document for me to travel back. So everything went well. I'm really hoping that they are going to give us our passports back, because normally it's not allowed for the Nigerian police to just collect a passport from another citizen that is not from Nigeria. It's not allowed. Normally it's not done. But it is well. I'm just waiting for things to get better. And yeah, I'm not with KO family anymore. I'm not with mommy. I'm not with Michelle. Not with Damien. I'm really missing them. Really, I'm missing them. It's not even up to 1 day. I'm already missing them so badly. Like seriously, I could even cry. But thank God they are fine. And yeah, that is the most important thing. But my experience in Nigeria was really tough. It has not been easy. If I would say it's a good experience, I would be lying. It was one of the worst experiences I've ever had in my life. Like seriously, I just came to enjoy myself, to have fun. And as you guys know, mommy is now a movie producer in the Nollywood industry. Sorry guys, she's a movie producer, and I'm really happy for her. I'm really happy. Thank God. Without God, it wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, I'm really so excited to see what the future brings for mommy and how it's going to go. And I was really, really excited to also shoot a movie. I was actually expected to shoot a movie, but that couldn't happen anymore, sadly. I'm still kind of sad about that because I was really happy, like seriously. When I heard that, oh, you'll be shooting and a Nollywood movie is like a dream come true actually, but my dream was crushed. My dream was quenched, but God knows what is best. Yeah, but I'm really happy for her. And yeah, I was really supposed to go and enjoy myself, shoot movies, have fun, and then the disaster came up. Nobody was expecting it to happen. Really. Let me clear my camera. Congratulations, thank you. You're looking so happy and relaxed. Yes, I'm actually relaxed now that I'm safe. I really hope that the others will still be safe in Nigeria, but I'm praying everything will be fine. It was really a traumatizing experience in Nigeria, and I'm so sorry that my other siblings had to go through this. I'm really sorry because Damien, Michelle, Deja, Munachi, she's just 4 years old. She had to go through something like that. It's really so traumatizing for her, and we're really scared. Especially me. I was really like, no, I really felt bad that I cannot say now it's my fault, but like because of me they're going through this, and I really feel bad. If I could change it, I wish I could change it, I would have, but there's nothing I can do. I can just pray, and you guys please just still pray for us, pray for KO family, wish us the best. I just hope that peace will reign very soon. That is just what I want. I want to be happy. I just want everybody to be happy. I want us to be happy as a family. That is just my prayer. But it was really, no. I'm even afraid to even go back to Nigeria because I don't think I'll be going back to Nigeria anytime soon. I'm not planning for it after everything that has happened. No, I'm so scared. Like seriously, that left like a bad experience for me. If I can't say anything good now about Nigeria because of what happened. But yeah, I'm sure if that wouldn't have happened, that it would have been such a fun time, spending quality time with the whole family, shooting movies, the Nollywood industry. Oh my God, already thinking about it, how much fun that would have been. But I didn't get the chance to do that. It is well, everything happens for a reason. Just wanted to update you guys and that I'm fine, I'm safe. I've arrived, and I'm really missing the family. I'm missing mommy, missing Michelle, Damien, Munachi, Deja. But yeah, I'm going to see soon. Hopefully, the time will go by fast so that they will come back to Austria. Where are you? Okay, I'm late. Where are you? How are you? Yes, I'm just back to Austria now. It's for the best. It's for my safety. Before anything would happen to me, like I was really scared for my life. That is why I also like had to just like run. I ran for help immediately. The German embassy said, okay, we're going to give you a travel document. That didn't take time. They flew me out. They said it's also good to just like, because I asked them for advice as well, and they told me that the best is for me to just leave the country, to just go back home. And that is what I did. Yes, I'm okay, guys. May God protect you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for your prayers and for your wishes. Thank you guys so much. I really love you guys. Just saying that, nah, what I had to go through, what the whole family had to go through in this Nigeria. It is really not normal, and I will be coming another day to just tell you guys about everything that happened. I would brief you guys, not today, but anytime soon. I will still come and talk about my experience, about the whole situation, everything that happened at the police station, from home to police station. But yeah, not today. And mommy, if you're watching this, I really love you. I love you so much, and I'm missing you. I just hope that time flies by fast so that I will see you, Michelle, Damien, Deja, Divya. I love you guys. I really love you guys. Well, I'm going to be so bored now. I was supposed to do so much. The clothes that mommy bought for us, the African clothes, I was still supposed to come and showcase it online, to come and wear it and present it. I was not able to do that. But it is well. It's sad, but it's better safe Nigeria to no be abroad. Yeah, I wouldn't say Nigeria is a safe country. From what I've experienced, Nigeria is very dangerous. I wouldn't recommend to go for holiday in Nigeria. Just like, if you want to be safe, don't do it. That is just my advice, because what I experienced was terrible, traumatizing. Till today, I'm still thinking about it. But it is well. I'll come another day to talk about it. Yes, I had a long flight, but luckily I ate. They served me food in the flight, gave me jollof rice. Yeah. So then I was in Germany. I had to wait there for 3 hours before I arrived in Austria. So that is all I want to say for now. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. So many people are worried. That is why I also decided to come, to just let you guys know that I'm safe, I'm okay. I'm not with my family anymore in Nigeria, but in my heart, they are still in my heart. They remain here. I'm always thinking about them, missing them. So I'm not really going to read too much of the comments, because I know there are many people that are saying negative stuff, negative things, but I'm not going to mind it. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. Please pray for me, pray for the family. Keep on loving us. Yes, love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Bye bye, guys.